Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sukma. I will try to explain about strategy for part B listening question. Okay, number 1. If you have the time, preview the answer to the listening part B question. While you are looking at the answer, you should try anticipate the question for each of the group of answer. Number 2. Listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. The first line of the conversation often contains the main idea, subject, or the topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such question. Okay, next. As you listen to the conversation, follow along with the answer in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Detailed questions are generally answered in order in the conversation, and the answer often sound the same as what is said on the recording. Okay, number 4, you should guess even if you are not sure. Okay, number 5, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to question that follow. Okay. Skill 7. It is very helpful to your ability to answer individual question in listening part B. If you can anticipate what the question will be and listen specifically for the answer to this question. Okay. Skill 8. The topic. As you listen to each conversation in listening part B, you should be thinking about the topic, subject, or main idea for each conversation. Since the first one or two sentences generally give the topic, you should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of conversation. Okay. Skill 9. The order of the answer. The answer in listening part B are generally found in order in the conversation. This means that as you listen to conversation, you should be thinking about the answer to the question in the order that they are listed in the textbook. Okay. For example,
Question 1.
for example, anticipate question for the following option. I thought asking what about? Okay, let's hear it. Okay.
Question 1 through 4. Listen to a lecture in a history class. Salt, which today seems so plentiful to us, in the past used to be a valuable commodity. In the ancient past in China, salt was used to make coins, and in parts of Africa, it was traded in place of money. In the Roman Empire, soldiers were not paid in money but were instead paid in salt. In fact, the English word salary, which means the amount of money that one's earned, comes from the Latin root for salt. Okay?
Okay, let's get to question number 1. What is the topic of the talk? My answer is B, salt. Okay. Question number 2. What was salt used for in China? My answer is C, to make coins. Okay. Okay, maybe enough. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.